Alright guys, going to do a cool video where we just take two pieces of paper, regardless if you have your own paper or not, or if you could take some old scrap paper or notebook paper from notes last week, or some throwaway mail that you guys have, whatever it is. Just grab two pieces of paper, make sure they're the same size. We're going to do a compare and contrast video. So right now I'm going to work on one sheet, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to leave it portrait style or vertically. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fold this in half. Okay, the best way to do that is if you line up this first corner. Okay, this can slide, but this one will stay in its place. Once you slide it all the way into the edge or the other corner, okay, you put your two thumbs down. Once you put your two thumbs down, swing your finger over. Okay, once you do that, grab this, drag it down, make a little crease. Once you do that, then you can start dragging your finger across your paper, but you're not just going to go straight across, because you run the risk of crinkling your paper and folding it the wrong way or making a crease in the wrong spot. So once it's folded like that, go ahead and twist it, make it vertical again. Open it up. You're going to fold that over and make this corner touch the crease in the middle. Okay? When it does, you can go all the way to the top, make a crease at the top, and then you can start going from your finger that's holding the paper and dragging your other finger out. And what that does, gives you a perfect triangle where it's not all crinkly and messed up. Okay? And it's going to be a nice tight crease. Go ahead and take your other corner, fold it down, try to make it match that line as perfect as possible. Okay, hold it tight in the corner, take your finger, drag it out. I got a little crease, but that's all right. Okay, and you're going to drag out away from your other finger. Make sure you do it slow, because if not, you might accidentally rip your paper. Okay, you're going to take this first side, you're going to bring it over again and make sure that this corner also lines up with the crease in the middle. Once you do that, you're going to roll this down, make sure your line lines up with the middle crease. Once you do that, I want you to hold the top and this corner, and then take your thumb and drag it out, straight out. Doing that will give you the best crease you can get in that area of your wing. Okay? Same thing, we're going to mimic this side, we're going to make it symmetrical. Okay? So whatever happens on the right, happens on the left. Fold this down. Get lined up with the symmetry line. Okay. Make that point up there. Hold this down. If you want to use a different hand, you can. Just make sure you're not moving that corner, whatever it is. Okay. Go out. And once you go out, you can go like that. Swing that down. Okay. So now you got this long triangle. It's got two little edges right here. Okay. Fold it in half. Okay. And then you can lay it down sideways. Once you do that, you're going to fold this down. You're going to make a like a little line, a little edge right here on the bottom. That's the part that you're going to hold on when you throw your paper airplane. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to roll this over. Okay. What I do is I kind of stick my thumbnail in here, and as I'm rolling it, kind of make a crease on the inside that it actually rolls. If not, it's going to be kind of hard to roll the paper because it's not going to want to do. It's going to be kind of stingy. Okay, so once you do that, just make sure your wing lines up with the side or the bottom of your paper, so you can get yourself a nice even wing. And then you're going to turn it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. This side might be a little bit easier because you can actually line it up with your previous wing. Now you got a nice little skinny long triangle. I'm going to fold these up. And there you have it. There's one. Okay. I'm going to put this one to the side. And I'll go ahead and start making the second one. And we'll see what the contrasts are or similarities are as we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take mine and make mine horizontal now. Okay. I'm going to fold this in half. Same thing. I'm always going to take this first corner on the left. If you want to start on the right, that's alright, that's no problem. But take one corner and then slide this all the way up to the other corner. Push your thumbs down. Put a middle point right here. Take your finger, drag it down. And then you can go ahead and do that. Okay, make a nice crease in the middle. Open it this way. I'm going to fold in like this. Okay, you're still going to line up across your paper with the line of symmetry in the middle, that middle crease that you made a while back. Okay, once you do that, you can hold your paper in place, drag out. Once you drag out, you're going to have that triangle area right here. You're going to flap this one over as well. Same thing, line it up. I'm just doing this with white paper because make it a quick video, but a really cool way to enjoy your time here while you're doing these is make your paper airplane. Once you're done making your airplane, you can actually design the outside and make really cool designs. Okay, so once you're doing this, it kind of looks like a big old barn house. Okay, you're going to take this flap, you're going to flap it over again. Same thing that we did with the other one. In this case, it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to look a little different because we folded our paper originally in a different way. Okay, once you line up, make sure you line up the edge of this flap with the symmetry line of symmetry. Okay. That in there, boom, there you go. I'm going to have a little part that hangs over, that's fine, that's what we want. Okay, this one you're going to have to roll over as well. Make it go straight into the middle, line it up. Try to make it as symmetrical as possible. If it's a little bit off, that's okay, but if it's a lot off, try to unfold your paper. Start over. You can always pause the video, go back, rewind, and continue as you need. Okay? Then you're going to fold. That looks like an ice cream cone in a sense. Put some ice cream on it. Anyways, fold this in half. Now you can start making your wings. Okay? So once you do that, you're going to fold this over, you're going to roll it over. The easiest way to do this, I take my thumb, take my nail, again, and I roll it inside here. And that kind of makes it a little easier to work with. Okay, you're going to have to work these corners because they're really skinny on this one. And they need to be as even as possible with this bottom line. Okay, once you have a side, then you can go ahead and flatten it out. Boom, I'm putting that crease there. Okay. Fold it over. And do the same thing on the other side. like this. All right, so jet 1 on the left, jet 2 on the right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate these, and I'll post some pictures at the end of the video of how they look, so you guys can enjoy. Compare and contrast, guys, and see which one flies further, see which one flies more straight, see which one does tricks, which one doesn't. If they both don't fly at all, crash and just kind of hit the walls or hit the floor within 2 or 3 feet, just let us know. Post, comment, like the video, subscribe, always do that, and I will get you guys the next video as soon as I can. Thanks guys, have a good one, bye.